Hello guys, welcome to Medlic and Life channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about the Vandematram scheme. What is the Vandematram scheme? It is the volunteer scheme and it is launched in the 2004. The main aim of the Vandematram scheme is providing equipments and drugs to the maternal and child. Okay, I already told it is the volunteer scheme, and who are all give their volunteer works to the maternal and child. They are all any OG specialist or any other specialist, and maternity home and nursing home and lady doctor and MBBS doctor. These people can voluntarily give their work to the maternal and child. Okay. First, the specialist and MBBS doctor and lady doctor first register in the volunteer program. In the volunteer program, they give a logo they paste in the clinic and working areas. Okay, they give a logo, and before that they have to register. And the main aim is they are providing motherhood care. What are all equipments given to the volunteer people? They are all iron and folic tablets, oral pills, and TT injection. These three are more common. These equipments are given by the district medical officer in freely. The free distribution to the beneficiaries through the volunteer, that means Vandematram scheme. That's it. Thank you. Finally, we have to know when the scheme is launched. 2004. The beneficiaries are maternal and child, and who are all volunteer specialist and MBBS doctor, lady doctor, nursery home, etc. Thank you. Subscribe for more.